Hello guys, welcome to
You're not
another.
on the game yet.
Yes, I am. I'm loading in.
Oh my gosh.
I'm here with Lskid again, the one and only.
Hello. I'm starting to figure out destroyers in their niches.
Well, maybe you
I
can help me
still
because I
get-
suck at destroyers.
No, don't ask me for help. I get almost no damage. Because I'll like sit and wait for one guy forever and I'll miss all of my torps.
Oh my god.
That's probably the worst thing.
What
I can't.
what kind of destroyer are you using?
The same one I always do.
Which one is that?
Izislav. I also got flagged for team killing.
I saw what? Oh my god. You're using that kind of destroyer? USSR?
Yes.
I use United
Soviet
States.
Union.
I use the United States destroyers.
I also have a Clemson, but I'm not
I
a
have
fan
that.
of it.
I have the Clemson too. Well, let's go destroyers. I guess I'm a little below average.
I'm significantly below average damage-wise.
Because I always just end up getting shot down by a battleship without even firing torps. Or
Make sure
teamed up.
stay detected. Stay undetected, rather. That's the biggest thing about destroyers. You should be invisible almost all the time.
Well, I like to charge in at the battleship when they're by
Yeah,
themselves.
don't do that. If they're by themselves, you can get away with it. But don't get any closer than you have to.
I have 22 torpedoes. You have 11. Wow.
You have 22?
Yeah.
How is it like 2 per side?
No. I think it's like 6
Manassassin
or
151 said saw
An
dudes.
assassin joined us. We're playing warship. Just in case you're...
It's
Manassassin
6 per side.
151 said hold up
6
BRB.
per side.
Yeah. How much do you have on per side?
Well, mine aren't split by side. I have 9, and they can go on either side.
Oh.
Manassassin 151 said back.
So we're going B, right?
Oh crap!
What?
Ugh!
Did you get detected?
I
got
hit smoke.
Oh my god, why did you do
I'm
that?
an idiot.
Why did you do that?
Let's do this, guys.
I always said
Go
that.
Why
away.
did you do that?
Manassassin 151 said why.
Why are you shooting?
Why are people
Guys?
talking? Hell.
Guys, can I
Oh my
join?
god. I'm recording right now, Plester.
Oh.
Yeah.
I accidentally hit smoke, like, right off the bat.
Oh my god.
Can I come though?
After this game, okay? But I'll come and get you in a different voice channel, okay?
Okay.
Because we're recording right now. Okay. Man Assassin doesn't have a mic, so I guess he's okay. Or you can just mute yourself, Buster.
Okay.
Okay,
Here,
well,
come pop a smoke right inside of this boundary.
I'll be playing by myself for now.
Okay, mic off. Where do I pop a smoke? Right here?
Yeah. Once you get inside the boundary and drop it in a line along this, so we'll have a good escape route. There's destroyers in that smoke right over there as well.
Okay. Okay, gonna pop a smoke in 4, 3, 2, 1, now.
Yeah, and then turn.
Smoke generator started.
Is it starting? Is the
Yeah,
smoke
we're
even
capping.
going on?
Yes.
I spotted the carrier.
Smoke screen set.
Okay, smoke screen set apparently. What are you shooting at? What did the rock ever do to you?
I'm shooting at the ship. Some of my shells were just hitting the rock. Torp that Miyogi.
I don't
Let's
see
stay
it.
in the smoke.
Oh my god, how did he
Oh, crap.
spot me?
There's a Clemson.
Retreat!
Because you weren't inside of the smoke.
I don't even know where the smoke is.
I'm done.
You are? Oh! How did you?
Screw destroyers. I hate destroyers, quite honestly. Oh my god.
I may be done.
Boy, you're out of your smoke. What are you doing?
I may be done. Ugh. I was immobilized. Oh my god, the front of my ship fell off. Well, this was an unsuccessful turn.
Oh, my Torp's gonna hit that Clemson?
What? you hit it.
I hit the Clemson!
You hit it?
Yeah, I dropped Torps right before they hit me. And apparently they hit.
Oh my god.
I didn't get 0 damage. Yay!
It's a miracle.
The Clemson.
So proud of myself.
What did you hit? The Miyogi?
No, the
The Clemson?
Boy! The Clemson.
You sunk it.
I'm done with destroyers. I'm going back to port. Screw this.
Yeah, me too. I just hate them.
I have a New York.
I have a
my only
Wyoming.
That's my only tier 5 I have. That's not maxed.
You wanna play it? Wait, you wanna play as a Kaiser?
No, because I'd have to buy the ship again, and I can't afford it.
Okay, what are you gonna play as?
This is I built the worst captain. Oh my god, dismiss this captain. He's so bad.
Can I come?
I guess so.
I'm already in a battle.
Oh.
Then, no!
Well.
Okay.
Oh, hold on, let me see if I have my modules mounted.
Oh,
Hey, I
no.
actually picked good modules. Oh my god, I even The I voted flag. Sweet. You're not waiting on your ship, are you, Dent?
No. I'm just looking at a German battleship at the moment.
A new battleship line's coming in,
Ooh, for what?
in 2017. It's not French, I can tell you that.
Then what is it for?
I'm pretty sure it's Russian.
Yeah, they only got cruisers.
But I don't even know that Russians
And
use
destroyers.
battleships. I'm not sure that Russians even use battleships, so I'm not sure.
I'm looking at the tier 10 Russian cruiser right now.
They might give it. I'm really curious what British battleships are gonna look like. I feel like they're basically just gonna be another American, basically another American line, just a little bit better armor. Boy, hurry up. We don't got all night.
Wow. M-Lord, what about a Leonard? Does the Leonard look awful? Oh, actually the Leonard looks like a cruiser to me. It has good guns. I really want the Minotaur. Minotaur.
What? What
The
are you
Minotaur.
talking about?
The British cruiser.
I don't like British cruisers.
I do not either, but actually, you know what I really want? I want the Desmonis.
I got I only got 200 XP from that last round. Hurry up, Dent. My god.
What are we gonna play as?
Tier 4 or 5. Pick a ship. Thank you. I haven't played American battleships since German ones came out. I was so ecstatic for those. I was like, screw this American crap. I'm so much better in German battleships. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them with all my heart.
Then why don't you just go support Hitler?
Because he's not still alive.
Then why don't you just go support North Korea?
Cause they're commies and so.
Oh my god, they got a Nagato. Look at that.
Nagato? Yeah. Tier 7s. You ready?
No.
This is what my matchmaking normally looks like in Tier 5. Except a little bit worse.
Oh my god.
So imagine all the Tier 5s were Tier 6s, and all the Tier 6s were Tier 7s.
Oh, right.
And I'm in here with a 5. I'm like, yep, this is gonna be great. Let's see, what do Okay. 4.9 to 10.
Why is this happening?
This
is
is
the
gonna
most
be fun,
unfair.
Kaiser.
A New York? What would win, me or you, in a battle?
You.
What?
If you know how to play them right.
Cut
It
you.
depends. No.
Why? I wanna. Oh, what's it called? I can hit you in the
Don't
water line right now.
You'll get a bunch of XP deducted.
Then never mind. Okay, where are we gonna go?
Left. Gosh, these things are so slow too.
Mine has a really good turn rate. To me, it does.
Enemy force detected.
And American battleships. I have camo mounted on this, and my detectability is I'm detected before I can shoot at someone.
If you could have one ship in the game, any ship at all, what would it be? Any tier?
The Bismarck.
Not the one above it?
Nope. Bismarck.
Not even the Montana?
Nope, Bismarck.
Not even the Yamato?
No, I've played all those ships.
You have?
Yeah, public test.
Oh.
I've played a lot of them up to tier 7? 7 or 8. I haven't played the Bismarck though. I've played the Gneisenau. That one was kind of weird. I didn't really like it a whole lot. Yep.
What is that guy shooting at? Oh, well, he's in Nagato. He's probably shooting at something on the other
The
side of the world.
Pensacola.
He's probably shooting at something on the other side of the world.
True.
3
Now let's see
battleships.
if this New York can actually dish out damage. Perfectly placed shot.
Oh!
Oh, baby!
Damage, how much?
It's the Citadel, 14,000.
Oh, nice.
And 1 shell hit, apparently. It only counted 1 anyways. Ah, now he's turning away. Now everyone's firing at him. Like, ooh, he's gonna die soon. I'm gonna try to steal his kill. You might want to move out of the way.
Oh my god. Yeah, you can take that
3,
hit.
2, 1.
Angle!
Hey, watch that destroyer. Put your secondaries on him.
I don't see it.
You do not see the destroyer right in front of you.
Oh, now I see it.
You might want to shoot at that.
It's a destroyer. I can't hit that.
Okay, then don't shoot at it.
Why don't you hit it?
Because I'm still reloading. Reload time on American ships also sucks.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Volume
come here,
coming.
Nagato.
Oh, that's
Come
firing
hither.
at something else. It's firing at you. Oh, yes. Hit that
I
damage.
overled you a little bit.
And
Yeah.
bad damage.
Watch the torps.
Torpedo! Slow down, I guess. Slow down a little. Or is he? Oh, I'm out. He's out of range.
Oh, there's a Kirov.
What? Where?
Die!
Oh, I see it.
Eat AP! None of those hit. Okay.
Nobody. Oh, wait, actually, somebody hit it.
Several ships fired and none of us hit it as far as...
Nagato hit it.
Ah.
Oh, wow, you're getting lit up.
Nah.
Well, you're taking damage. Okay, let's see. Can I finish this guy off?
2, 1. Phew!
Come on, yes.
Oh, of
finish
course he
off.
turns.
Dang it,
Come
why
on.
is he turning? No.
Come on.
All my
that was gonna
shells
be a perfect
missed.
10k.
All my shells missed, and he angled right when I fired.
Here, let's get around this island, then push. Me and you. Make sure to angle. They will probably be targeting you
Why?
because you're a tier 4. You're the easiest target in the game right now. Just to put that
That's
into terms.
good to know, I guess.
Oh wait, no, there's a Wyoming. You're not the only tier 4.
Yeah,
I have one.
they're probably gonna go after the Wyoming because it's easier.
No, the Wyoming's on our team.
Oh.
I'm shooting the Wyoming. Or the Wyoming's on their team, rather. I'm gonna shoot it.
Oh, I just noticed that. Ship right there.
I only did
I
3K.
literally... Why didn't you tell
You know
me there
what?
was a
I'm
ship
just
right
gonna
there?
repair.
Am I about to run into anything?
No, you're good.
And good hits, I guess. And not good hits.
You didn't aim low enough. Oh, crap.
Oh, look at that cruiser right there. I'm gonna try and take
Think
out
that's a
the
kill
cruiser.
for me? Yep.
Cruisers did, it looks like.
Here, push. Push in.
Okay. Oh my god, we got cruiser support with us now. Yay.
Oh my god, that never happens.
This cruiser's decided to stick with us. And it's an alien language cruiser. Look at that thing.
Come here, Phoenix.
Lskid something. Oh, Phoenix, where
Give
I
me
want
your
it.
citadels.
Conning. No, why does it have to be
Oh
that
my
ship?
god!
Dang.
Eat that!
Detected.
Help me.
I'm trying to take out this Congo. Oh wow, you're dead.
No. I might survive if
Yeah,
people
might.
actually help.
Yeah, you might.
Three.
Try
Two,
and light up
one.
that Congo.
Repair party.
Try and light up that Congo.
Oh! Third kill of the match. Nope. $15 says I still get more experience than you.
Really?
I'm not too bad with American battleships.
Oh my
I-
god, I just got Citadel to death.
Are you guys done with the battle?
Oh my
Not
god.
quite, I'm
I
dead.
literally got Citadel to death right now. Like, just right now, Citadel to death.
You're not boy! Turn your
Oh
bow
my
to your
god,
right.
I just noticed
Shift your
them.
rudder left. Shift your rudder to the
Guys,
left.
tell me when you're done because I'm ready.
Oh wow, that's a surprise
Shift
right
your
there.
rudder to the left. You're going the wrong way, boy. Shift your rudder to the left so your bow goes to the right so you're not broadsiding half of their team. Whatever, just keep going that way. Yes, let's go against the perfectly angled Nagato. With AP. Even though HE does just about as much as AP angled. You're still alive. You survived that, possibly, if you can get a repair party on quick. And they keep shooting this bad.
I shall survive.
Enemy battleship sighted.
What's the support thingy?
So requesting F7. Hold control and click on the Arizona.
Click on what?
Never mind, you're on the other side of the island. Get in the smoke.
Where's smoke?
Go forward. See that Belfast? He's in a smoke circle. Go and get inside of that circle and you'll be completely invisible. Do you have a repair party?
32 seconds.
Boy, when did you use it last?
When there was 5 fires on me.
No, not damage control party, repair party.
R?
Not... No, T.
Oh, 12
And
seconds
turn
now.
turn to the right.
Okay.
You're gonna miss the circle.
Wait, we're in smoke right now?
No, you're outside. Do you not have smoke circles enabled?
No. I
Okay,
don't know.
we'll have to do that at the end of this round. Keep going.
Mine is
forward to the
enabled.
right, and you'll be in it soon. Even though it's about to dissipate. Rip you. Oh, all those missed. Never mind. Sure, the Pensacola won't make that mistake again. You could definitely kill this Pensacola if you hit right. You missed all of them.
Don't judge
There he
me.
goes. Smoke's gone. Start backing up again.
Okay, I'm ready.
Wait, we're still in a match.
Okay.
How did all those miss?
The dispersion gods.
Attention. Reporting a target position.
Oh boy, there's a DD capping your zone.
What?
There's
Oh
a DD
my-
capping your zone.
That is...
He's in smoke. No one saw him. He was never detected. Oh, Colonel Mustard's gonna radar him. Oh yeah, 'cause he's in the Belfast. Oh, there he goes. When's your next repair party?
42 seconds.
Is that your last one?
Yeah.
Figured. Well, your game's just about done, assuming you can even die before all these other guys do, but it looks like a won game.
Our team is taking the lead.
Whoa, that's a weird graphic glitch.
What?
Super weird. There's certain ships, if you put your camera angled just right and pointing in the right place, you get super weird graphics glitches. I think my game just crashed also. You there?
Yeah.
Yeah, my game just crashed.
Wow, rip. Well, today in JCC, we have a very interesting chief. His name is Chief Cross.
Man, Assassin, you have World of Warships? Pluster left.
Yay.
Are you not going to play with us? I don't care. Wait, why can't you type?
Is he like private messaging you?
No, he's in Discord.
Is he saying anything?
Yes.
He's talking.
So you couldn't type anything in the game? That doesn't even make sense. I don't mean in Discord. Yeah, like in the game you can use Division Chat. I realize that you won't be able to use Discord. I'm like, what are you is your keyboard broken? What do you... I don't quite understand. So you gonna play? You're gonna play?
I feel like ramming this battleship.
Is that round yet?
No, there's one battleship left and I'm about to ram him.
Do it.
What the heck? Do you see what this guy said? Look what he said.
No, I can't see
Oh,
it. My
wow.
game crashed. I have to wait until the round's over to get back in.
There's torpedoes heading for him at the moment.
Put your secondaries on him.
I just did. He's going to get hit by the torpedo, it looks like. Yeah, he got hit by the torpedo.
Round over?
Yep.
Let's try to log now.
How much XP did you get?
I don't know, cause my game's not open.
I got 1,155.
How much damage did you do?
I can't remember.
50,000, 60,000, 40,000, 30, 20. Sweet. No, I'm in. I got 2008 experience. I'm gonna look back at that. Well, the UI is also broken for that game, so I can't view anything, but I know It's offering me the Arizona for a lot less than it should be, but I don't want it, so I'll go. My commander leveled up twice in that one battle.
Do you want to play something else?
No,
No.
I don't even need you, man. Assassin's gonna come.
Well, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye.